If you only have one fashion product, is a lookbook needed? Generally speaking, I recommend to have several pictures that are bringing over the values, the aesthetic of your brand. You would have a couple of these pictures, and then you have a clear pictures where the garment is presented. To give you an example, the lookbook pictures, those are fashion pictures. They are being done on models in beautiful setup, right? And the catalog pictures can be done on a model or on a dummy. So the model will be standing front, back, and sideways, very clear, clean against a clear background, and the or you're putting it on a dummy and you're making a picture. In your particular case, you have a pant, so it can be a flat picture as well, but actually if you put it on a mannequin and you shoot a picture from side, back, and front on a mannequin, and then you cut out everything and hang it against light background, it looks fantastic. So this would be a catalog picture. When you have a presentation with one single product, you have several pictures which bringing over the aesthetics and mission and purpose of your brand. Then the next one would be the 3 pictures, front, back, and side, plus probably some close-ups of your product, and then you will add all the information that a line sheet contains. You can combine the catalog pictures with the line sheet together, so it becomes a small document that you have. But again, when retailer gets your document, which is a lookbook catalog line sheet, right, and opens it, they don't even open it, because you start with the first page. They look at it, and the first page already puts them into the mood of your brand. Then they open it, they see the product, they see your mission and purpose, they see all the wholesale terms and all the terms and all the prices. Done.